Realistic Lift Showcase episode 6, I believe it is. Again, Europa 2000s. Building number 4, the third one uploaded, September 2020. Right lift is fixed and the left lift is closed and nowhere to be seen. But there's also a little bit more detail to those changes than what you might think. There we go. I'll activate that call button because I forgot to. Lift not in use sign. Yeah, that's still there. 24-hour CCTV in operation as the floor indicator has gone. Fire service is still there though. And that's good. Fire service is what matters. But you're about to hear something just a bit different about this lift. Let's see if you can hear it. Lift arrives. And it opens. A slightly different door sound. In fact, quite a bit different. It's the only form of the right lift to use this sound file. The improved condition. In we go. We'll just let it close up for now and we'll get a look around the cab. It's less off level too. So, what's changed in here? Because there's a couple of changes. Well, firstly, the doors have some bolts in them now. And over here, the directory is pretty much the same. There's a change number there. You've got your emergency phone. And the alarm works again. Which I think we can all be happy about. A working alarm. Anyway, press the door open. And let's go for a round trip to 10. Doors closing. The doors are a bit faster. Here we go up. Motor sounds are pretty much the same. In fact, they're exactly the same. 4, 6, 8, 10. It opens. 2. And it closes again. Clickety cluck. And down it goes. 10. 8. 6. 4. And 2. There we are. Still got a missing Otis logo. Let it close. Now, we have to see what indicators and buttons are doing on each floor, because there's been some changes. And of course the button outside there is still the white LED we all know, and the floor indicator does nothing. But let's see what's going on up on level 4. Here we are. It opens. And we'll find not only do both buttons light up now, but this works. Sign's still there. It works. First time that's ever worked. And certainly in this showcase. And certainly for the first time since probably way before 2018. And that's done that. Up to 6 next. Button. And the door is open. Again. It lights up. Sign. Closes. And it lights up too. So there we go. Now up to 8. I believe 8 is where I've left the left lift in this one. It is. There's no point in looking in the left lift because it's just it's basically the February 2019 lift, but out of service on 8. Because the thing is closed, so who knows what it looks like inside. Here we are at 8. Now 8 is ever so slightly different. We still don't have an LED there. And the lantern here is dim, but look here. That one's missing completely. You can see how dim that lights up. You can just about make up that it lights up. We'll let that lift go. I'm going to talk a bit about this once it goes. The reason I want to talk a bit about that is because I had initially planned to fully model that as like 3D and all. But then I realised trying to model wires which curve around a bit, it's a little bit tricky. So I just didn't. That's better anyway. It looks better having more authentic wires. If you're wondering, Yes, that lift's just there doing that. Not doing a whole lot. Anyway, I'll put this back on, double lantern, we'll watch the thing switch it down once more. And we'll go up to 10, the final floor to visit, and see what's going on up there. Doors closing. Directory again, cab view as we reach 10. Here we are. Doors open. And that one lights up. Again, we've got another one that's missing. But that one lights up. So there you have it. We'll do another park run on this. And I'm just going to briefly talk about 6 while it's doing that. Because level 6 in the real lifts chimes in September 2024. But chiming at a middle floor is not possible. Middle floor only. You can do it at top and bottom floors as you figured out with the February 2019, but you cannot do it at intermediate floors. So unfortunately I was not able to put a chime on for that floor. Which is unfortunate, but it's how it goes sometimes. But that lights up again. Again, a missing one. No sign here because that was where it was previously sat open for 1,000,001 months. I don't know. A long time. Let's have a park run from inside. I've not done that in this series of Europa videos yet. 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. Here we are. And here we reverse. And yeah, that's pretty much this one. This lift has improved a lot. As we approach 10. There we go. Doors open. And finish off on 2. Doors close. And down we go. And press that so I can round off the video. Here we are at 2. And out we get. Lift not in use. But with that being said, as always, let me know in the comments what did you think of these lifts, the implementation of the various condition changes, and the Right Lift's new door sound, because that is of course new. And with that being said, of course, thank you as always for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. The next one will be the final one of the Europas, and it is a somewhat good condition form before they really deteriorated, minus the motor sound still being bad. But anyway, that's one for you to look forward to finish off the Europas. Thank you for watching as always, I hope you enjoyed it, and once this lift closes, that'll do it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.